Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry roux. First, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Once melted, gradually whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook this mixture, stirring constantly, for about 2 to 3 minutes until it forms a smooth paste. This is your base for a delicious curry. Now, let's build that incredible flavor. Add 2 tablespoons of your preferred curry powder to the roux. Also, incorporate 1 teaspoon each of ground turmeric and ground cumin. Continue stirring for about 1 minute. This gentle toasting process helps to bloom the spices, intensifying their fragrance and taste, which is crucial for a rich curry. The next step is all about achieving the perfect color and depth. Keep cooking the roux over medium-low heat, stirring constantly. You're looking for a light, nutty brown color, similar to peanut butter. This browning process usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Don't rush it. Patience here ensures a deeply flavorful roux. Once your roux has reached that beautiful golden brown hue, remove it from the heat. Allow it to cool completely in the pan or transfer it to a shallow dish. Once cool, you can store your homemade curry roux in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. It's ready to be added to your favorite curry dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.